So this is the second time that I've done a talk on one fruit only. And I just want to clarify, I don't think any one fruit is a magic bullet. No one fruit is suddenly going to heal your life and make everything okay. I very much believe in natural hygiene principles, that for each and every one of us, it's our own body that heals. And we can help our bodies heal. We can do things that are helpful, like we can exercise, we can rest, we can get sunshine, we can have positive thoughts, we can have a good source of water, and we can have, a good diet. And all those things enable our body to heal more effectively. And even people that are eating processed foods, that aren't exercising, and that aren't getting enough rest, their bodies still heal, but they might take an awful longer time to heal. So our body's always working in its best interest, and our body is what heals. But certain fruits, I believe, can help our body in its healing ability. So why figs? Why did I decide to talk about figs? Figs, I believe, are a very special fruit for two main reasons. The first reason is that they are very, very nutritious. They're one of the most nutritious fruits available to us in terms of micronutrients. And I think that's what challenges us most today to really be healthy and to thrive on this diet, is to get enough micronutrients. Now, the micronutrients are vitamins, minerals, antioxidants. So there was, in this talk, I just want to clarify that I'm talking about not just your typical jammy Mediterranean fig. When we think of figs, we probably think of the figs like on my dress. But actually there are 750 different types of figs in the world that feed many, many animals and birds. And these are native figs. They have quite different leaves to your typical Ficus carica, which is the jammy Mediterranean fig. And these figs are a very important food source. They feed over 1,274 different species of animals. And some scientists believe that if figs weren't about, then humans, we wouldn't be here now. That we're only here now because we relied so much on native figs in the past. And again, the same for many primates. So figs came onto my radar for two main reasons. The first was several years ago, I read a study. And the study said that in the wild rainforests, primates would eat up to 40% figs in their diet. So their diet would comprise 40 or more % figs. And that blew me away. I thought, well, in the forest, you've got all these other fruits. And the fact the primates are thriving and living very healthily on, 40% figs. What's in those figs must be very nutritious and very important. And then I got to thinking, well, if they're so important for primates, they're going to be very important for humans too. A second thing about the article said that figs were very important for the primates' healthy digestive system and the gut flora. And something that's becoming more and more sort of talked about now is our gut biome, and how very important our gut biome is for all aspects of our health. Our gut biome is our digestive tract and the flora and the fauna in it. And the digestive system is very much linked to our mental health. Like when we get upset or when we get stressed, we feel it in our guts. Maybe we can't eat, maybe we feel sick. We feel a tightening in our guts because the gut has its own nervous system called the enteric nervous system, and that is connected by the vagus nerve to the brain. And it has many, many neurons, many nerve cells in there. So the nervous system of the gut is very important. So if we don't have a good gut biome, if we don't have a good digestive system, it doesn't just affect our assimilation of food, it affects our mental health and well-being. And so figs, being a food that's very high in fibre, and that's very high in minerals, is very good for our digestive system and for encouraging the good bacteria.